Hi, I'm Luca de Capraris. I'm a professor of history here at John Cabot University, and I would like to briefly introduce our department, the Department of History and Humanities. We do offer three majors: history, humanities, and classical studies. Students can also complete minors in history, humanities, or classical studies in our department. Through survey courses and seminars combined, students can explore the different ways in which human cultures and the forms of expression have developed historically, analyzing how men and women have tried to make sense of and represent the reality they have lived and experienced in time. Our majors are organized in two different tracks, whose details I invite you to investigate by looking at our university website. Browsing also through the descriptions of all courses and seminars we offer. What I would like to emphasize here are two aspects. The first is that all professors in our department endeavor to encourage critical reflection and intellectual curiosity. We do try hard to help students build those skills, which are essential to make sense of an ever-changing world and of what is an increasingly complex reality. The second aspect is that we encourage our students to go beyond, to exceed the confines of what we may call any single discipline or concentration by exploring the rich diversity of human experience. A good example is the very nature of our humanities degree, which pushes, encourages, and allows our students to design their own program of study, drawing from among the vast array of disciplines: history, philosophy, literature, classics, religious studies, music, creative writing. Following a seminar on intellectual history, exploring the early modern roots of globalization, discussing and interpreting one of Plato's dialogues, grappling with the ethical implication of emerging technologies, reading ancient Greek lyrics, learning how the use of digital resources can be applied to the humanities, all contribute to stimulate creativity as well as mental flexibility. In fact, a creative approach and intellectual agility are essential to embrace the complex diversity of the past, to analyze and assess the ideas determining our present, and to be aware of the forces which may determine the future. A majority of our students do continue on to graduate school after completing their bachelor degrees here at John Cabot University. Our department has an excellent graduate school placement record. In fact, our graduates have been admitted to some of the best North American and British graduate departments to go on to their masters and doctoral degrees. The training our students receive, so along with their communication and writing skills, also gives them quite a wide range of job options beyond academia, if you want. A strong ability to organize and interpret data, research, and analytical skills are in high demand in professional contexts, ranging from museum work to public relations, marketing, software development, from journalism to publishing, and beyond. Please do not hesitate to get in touch with us should you have any question on our program. I wish you best of luck whatever your future university career may lead you. Arrivederci.